Hey YouTube, it's Taki with Taki Tech. Okay, so basically, I just wanted to give you guys an update here before I go any further on kind of refactoring and adding new functionality to the program here. I don't want you guys to see a lot of new code on the next video. What I did do is that I changed no names and I changed it to, let me see here, total names, total new names. That's what I changed it to. I also changed head counter to column counter. It just seemed like it was a good move to give more flexibility. Where we're at on the project is we're about to add the female names when we have our list here. So what I'm going to decide is whether or not we're just going to have names if there's both male and female names, or we're going to, if it's just male names, just have this header say male names, or if it's female names, just have it say female names. So that's what I'm going to be deciding next. You can see I ran a couple of tests here. I was having a problem where it was giving me the formula because I didn't do the paste. I didn't add the one to the paste to account for the header row, and here everything. I think that's the same thing that happened here as well. But that should be fixed now as well too. So make sure you add the ones whenever you're about to paste or write the formulas, and then when you're going to paste the information into these two functions here as well. So if we go up here now what I'm going to be doing is checking for name types. Basically, is it a male? How many are we going to create male names, or are we going to create female names, or are we going to create a combination of both male and female names? And then from there, I'm going to generate the data. So the next video, you'll see that completely completed. I'm trying to get this project going full steam ahead. That's why I'm not coding live. It was not necessarily taking up too much time, but the videos would just be a little bit too long. I'm trying to get them under the 3 to 4 minute mark. So that's it for this video. If you liked the content on this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel, make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching. Until next time, take it easy.